Hey guys, well, here comes my little dry shed creation. It's 2011, we're out here getting firewood. First trip of the year. Of course, the tractor can't fit between the trees, so we're gonna take the grassy route. He probably would drive that thing between the trees. He's pretty good on the tractor, but we're not driving between the trees. Believe it or not, this is the path for the tractor. There's a hole over here. There it is. Big wide turn. Yeah, there you go. It's always kind of fun to see your creations out working. So it's kind of fun to see your 14-year-old son out working too. It's a nice little tractor. Does the job for us. Okay, so now we've gotten to a kind of a crummy area. Ow. Bugs out here are bad. Really don't want the tractor getting into that stuff. It's soft. Tractor's heavy. Bad combination, if you know what I mean. Darn bugs. Ugh. Good God, they're bad this year. Well, that thing's doing a good job. Perfecto. We've made it through the forest. Now he's down there. Come along the electrical corridor, which runs parallel to our fire road. Oh boy. And I'm on foot, carrying the chainsaw. That's always fun. That's the best part, I'm sure. Well, you know, no trip out with the tractor to get firewood is complete without its own mini drama. Today's drama is my piece of crap Poland Pro 42cc chainsaw is garbage. No start-a-me-vu. So the mistake I made was putting the logs on here, which are pretty much whole trees right now. So they're like 30 feet long. 30 feet long, and I can't cut them off the length to fit the trailer. And now we gotta drive back through that skinny forest with this nightmare. I don't think it's gonna start, Bryce. Keep pulling it, don't worry about it. Just you just pull to your heart's content. Look at this. I am very hot. In the wrong way. Okay, he says he sees something down there. Maybe I do see something there. There is something down there, Bryce. I don't know what that is. There it is again. It's a coyote. There's a coyote way down there. See, I told you, that's where the coyote came out right behind me on my bike, eh? Wait, well, it was a little bit farther away than that, but it was pretty much the same bloody place.